Make a great choice today with the 2025 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.